Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to our madam, which is Madam Mel. So today our group will present about Kuala Kubu Bharu website that we had been developed by using WordPress.com. And before we start, let me introduce to you our team members. So this is because without them we could not accomplish this website together. So now let me introduce my teammates. So as you can see, this is our organizational chart. So let me introduce myself first, which is my name is Ifa Ayuni as creative director. Next is Nur Anissa Sofia as our web developer, and next is Mizanur Ruzana as our graphic design, and the last person is Nurul Ain Sofia as our project manager. So without them, we could not accomplish, and however, we could accomplish this website together and successfully.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Isa Nursana binti Ramzi, and today I'm going to show you the back-end process of our project. First, this is template that we use for our project. As you can see, this project already contain the block that we need to use. But still, I'm going to show you how to add a new block manually. Okay, if you see at the upper left side, there are plus button to add block, pattern, and also media. So this is the example of how to add a new block. And also, if you can see here, this is the list of blocks that have in WordPress. So now I'm going to show you how to add a paragraph. We can add it by click and drag it to the place we want. And then I'm going to add image. For image, we can add by upload it from our media, or also if we don't want to upload, we can also just find it online and then just copy the image we got from. For image, we can also adjust the size, and then for pattern, pattern is basically a template, uh, template that already finished, so you can just use it and just edit a few of it. For example, here I choose contact template. We can see it already have in a nice design. So we just need to, so we don't need to change much. Okay, for this one, this block, actually we can move it up and down based on how we want to arrange it. Also, for this uh, pattern, if you suddenly want to change the design, we can also change it. As for the header, we actually can add a new navigation. But to add the navigation, first we need to add a new page. To add a new page, we need to click at the WordPress logo and then go to page and click it and click add new page. After we add new page, we give the page name, save it and publish it. So then we can add new navigation bar. Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Isa Nursana binti Rumzi, and today I'm going to show you the back-end process of our project. First, this is template that we use for our project. As you can see, this project already contain the block that we need to use. But still, I'm gonna show you how to add a new block manually. Okay, if you see at the upper left side, there are plus button to add block, pattern, and also media. So this is the example of how to add a new block. And also, if you can see here, this is the list of blocks that have in WordPress. So now I'm going to show you how to add a paragraph. We can add it by click and drag it to the next. I'm gonna continue with the front end, uh, which is the home page of our website. Okay, as you can see, this is our home page. We have a logo and also a navigation bar. As you can see also, the navigation bar also have another drop down, so it will direct us to other page. So there are a brief introduction, a picture, and also explanation of what we have in our website, and also the reason why you should visit our place. Also, there are more brief introduction of each page. So for the last one, we have a comment section where user can leave the comment, and also we have a copyright from WordPress, copyright of our group. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum teman-teman ya. My name is Noor Sofia and I will continue the presentation. In this section is about an under of history. The purpose of this section is to give our user a little knowledge about the place they are about to go. As you can see here, we have the navigations on the right top, and on the left side we have our site name visit KKB with our little logo, and underneath is the history and the brief of history we got from the internet. And then next we have accommodation. The accommodation, when you tap on it, there we have a three section, which is hotel, chalet, and resort. This is to enhance our user experience by they have an option to choose whether they want to stay in the hotel, chalet, or resort, and each of the section have a picture, description, place name, and direct booking. So we assume that this will enhance our user experience to use our website smoothly and have a pleasant visit.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Ifa Ayuni binti Muhammad Nazri, and now I will explain about the attraction in Kuala Kubu Baru, which is KKB. So as we know, KKB also have their own unique that can attract the tourists or traveler to come there. So now let me guide you. Okay, as a user, when they are in the website on our homepage, then you can look on the navigation bar. it will have the attraction menu. When you can drag the cursor on it, it will show the drop down about three things, which is the local foods, nature and adventure, and lastly is community and culture. Then just click the attraction to know more about it. Then it will bring to the attraction page. So in this page, it have a picture about KKB and a little briefing about the attraction. Thus, it also have three buttons that will link to the other pages. For example, if user want to know about the nature and adventure, just click on it. If they want to know about the local food, just click on it. And if they want to know about the community and the culture, just click the button. Or else they also can click on the navigation bar. So next just click the button of the local foods, which is a local foods that it will bring to the pages about it. So here there are a few pictures and names of the food stall or the restaurant about it. And if the traveler or the tourists want to know which food stall they want to eat, just search on it. Okay, just choose and search. And then next we will go into the navigation bar, click the nature and adventure. And these pages is actually created especially for those who are loving to the nature things or to do the extreme activities. So here we have a picture and a little detail about the nature about it. And also we have provide a video for the activities that you can do for fun with your partner, with your families, or with your friends, and all that you can do in the KKB. So let's see for a while.
Ramai yang tak tahu, negeri Selangor ada
It's
banyak.
fun, right? You can also join
Assalamualaikum.
Ting macam ni confirm dia berani masuk asrama lepas ni.
Kau punya spek berkabut.
Mak, dia berhenti nak bawa kita.
Kita berdiri.
Also, in these pages, we have like FAQ, which
Ingat dekat
is
skate park tapi
questions
ni rasa dia
about
takut lain
this
macam tau.
place.
Dia sebab dia
If you want to know about it. So, just
9 per 10 sebab dia macam tak manis sangat, dia macam just nice. Tapi dia tak rasa macam cendol sangat sebenarnya, dia rasa macam dia cair sikit, dia pakai susu. And then dekat sini parking besar, so siapa-siapa nak datang memang puas hati. Dia tak payah macam fikir parking apa semua, sebab semua lengkap.
I feel like the first kiss, can't miss kid in the candy store.
Chinese and orang asli people. Next, it also have several culture in there, such as street art or town mural, festival and cultural celebrations, and lastly, also have weekends markets and local craft. So, thus, next we also look at the religious that exist in there. Um, as we know, we have Malay, Chinese, Indian, and all. So now, as you can look at the picture, we have a mosque, we have a temple, we have a church, and all of these had been placing side by side. And if you can look at it, it looks very peaceful and harmony. Plus, the language they also spoke, also using Malay, Mandarin, Cantonese, and lastly is Tamil. And this culture actually had been rooted in everyday life of the KKB people. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi and assalamualaikum teman-teman. My name is Nurul Aisyah Bintu Rashami and I will presenting on how to use the contact section of our website. So first scroll to the contact section of the website and you will see the three simple fields. So the first one is name, which is they have to enter their full name so we know who's reaching out, and email and message where they can type their question, suggestion or anything that you would like to ask. So once you have completed the form, simply click the contact us button. And that's it. Now let's move on to the feedback section. Now let's look at the feedback section. Here's how everyone can leave their feedback. So first, type in name and email just like in the contact form. Next, they will see this question. Please rate our website. They can choose from 1 to 5, where number 1 is a very bad and 5 is excellent. So the rating is based on what's their experience on our website. So below that, there's a box label, how could we improve? So here they can write any suggestion or idea that they have. So once you have filled in everything, click the send feedback button and that's it. So that is the end of our presentation. Thank you.